Okay, here we are to talk about the Parker House Breckenridge wall unit. So one of our favorite things about Parker House is we make these amazing wall units. They come in lots of different pieces so you can configure it. It's kind of modular so you can build it as big or as little as you want. But the Breckenridge is one of our new collections, so that's why we want to highlight it. Again, we start over here with a corner unit. We have a 22-inch open top bookcase here. In this one, we have the TV console with the TV top here. And then we go into some of the bigger units. We have the 32-inch open top bookcase. And then we have over here this is a lateral file with a library ladder. This is optional. You don't have to put it on. We're gonna send this with every piece that we send, the library rail up here. If you don't want it, you can take it off and plug it. But if you wanna add the library ladder, it gives it a great look. Like I said, this is a drawer unit. So lateral file on the bottom, drawers here at the top. Then we also have what's called the in-wall computer desk is what this piece is right here. So if you want to put a little computer in here, adjustable shelves, again, you can always take those out, put those in as well if you want. And then we have two other pieces, which is the writing desk. And then we finish it with the executive desk over here, which really just makes this a whole office collection. This is the Breckenridge wall unit.